vocabulary Sanaya. First, abundant, which means existing in very large quantity or more than enough. Yani bharpur. Example, there is an abundant supply of cheap labor. Synonyms, ample, bountiful, sufficient. Antonyms, insufficient, neatly, red. Now let's move to the second word. Second, abase. Cause to feel shame, humble, discreet, yani नीचा दिखाना. Example, he refused to abase him in eyes of other. Synonyms, disgrace, dishonor, shame. Antonyms, build up, expand, extend. And in the last, if you are new to the channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.